I'm about to run this Manco for you real quick. Hell, it might even fall off the stand. Hell, I don't know what's gonna happen. Alright, let's see. I put a new spark plug on it. Then ran through the card. Cleaned out the gas tank. Let's see if she fire up. There you go. Alright. Manco mini bike. Running. Pay a little nothing for it, but it's all good. I'm gonna get it together and shit, it'll just be sitting with the others. Yeah, Briggs and Stratton. That's the first Briggs and Stratton I ever worked on. Y'all saw the motherfucking Hondas. Well, I did. I'm talking about damn near clean up a big block Briggs, but I ain't go through it. I went through this motherfucker and changed shit I didn't know. You know what I'm saying? No how shit. I ain't even know what Briggs and Stratton was all about. But you know what I mean? Still some shit to do to it. But yeah, mini sport doc. Shit's goddamn cold up here in Indiana, man. But that spring coming, man. Y'all get ready. Somebody gonna be on this busting somebody's motherfucking ass, and that 3 horsepower might not be the one to do it.